Today we will interpret aspects between celestial bodies and points of the natal chart. Planetary aspects are, in astrological knowledge, of enormous importance in evaluating the innate harmonies and tensions that the individual carries with them. These harmonies and tensions have direct consequences on how the individual faces the stage of life. Essentially, an aspect between two elements of the chart occurs when these elements are found at the vertices of a regular polygon. If we define a planet or point as a vertex of, for example, an equilateral triangle, and inscribe that triangle within the zodiacal circle, any other planet or point located at one of the other two vertices of the triangle will make an aspect called a trine, that is, 120 degrees from the first. In this way, the two planets are connected through geometric archetypes. The strength of an aspect in the birth chart is measured by taking into account two factors, namely the importance of the aspect planets or points and the accuracy of the angle or orb. In astrology, aspects are characterized numerologically. Since each regular polygon is associated with a number, the ancestral symbolism associated with that number is used to characterize the nature of each aspect. The main aspects are then associated with the following numbers. Number 1 corresponds to the conjunction, 0 degrees. Number 2 corresponds to the opposition, 180 degrees. Number 3 corresponds to the trine, 120 degrees. Number 4 corresponds to the square, 90 degrees. Number 5 corresponds to the quintile, 72 degrees. On the bar at the top of the screen, let's tap the small button labeled Tables. Let's choose Natal. And now, Natal Aspects. We already have a list of aspects between natal elements in Martinez chart. This list is ordered according to a relevance criterion. In the second position, we see an opposition aspect between Neptune and the Sun. Let's tap to receive an interpretation. And we already have an interpretation available for this aspect. Let's return to the chart because we can also locate aspects within the central circle. Since the individual is the center of their universe, at the center of the zodiac wheel, Chaldea places a naked human figure, a symbol of the transparency of our essence before this ancestral knowledge. An opposition is represented by a line that divides the circle into two equal parts. Oppositions cross the human figure. They represent division. Let's locate the Neptune-Sun opposition. Let's long press the line. And here we have the information about this opposition. And so we conclude for today. Thank you for your attention, and until the next video.